Magkakasama po sa isang big event ng Jollibee sina Maha Salvador, Bel Mariano, and Joshua Garcia for Jollibee's Joyful Christmas Stores. Yan po ang balita ng Kapamilya Online World, mga kaibigan. Bel got scared because of that thing sa gilid nila, but look at what her ate Maha did, saving Bel from her fears. Let's go.
Uy! Wow! Jollibee! There you go! There you go!
Ayan, kasama din sa event na ito si Robbie Domingo, mga kaibigan. The way Miss Maha looks at Bel while talking, same Miss Maha, same.
Happiest. Happy holidays, everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for that wonderful question.
Thank you. Candidate number one.
Thank you po. I'm the happiest ever, of course, to be part of this family. You know, growing up kasi, I used to really eat Jollibee with my siblings. And she set up, and ito po yung sinabi niyo ng haba ng Pasko ng Pinoy, and we eat Jollibee all together. Sorry, the mic. We ate Jollibee all together. And the message I would like to say is, I think for me, Christmas is about sharing joy. So let's make this Pasko our Paskoest ever by sharing Jollibee Chicken Joyous.
Ayan po, Bel Mariano saying sharing joy during Christmas season ay napakalaga sa kanya. O, diba? Narito po, cutie moment ni Bel Mariano sa big event na ito with Robbie Domingo as photo bomber. Gen Z phenomenal star, of course, Bel Mariano with a very cutie dress, red dress na cute niya dress.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Para po siyang ballerina. But then yes, yan po ang mga kaganapan kanina. Even Daily Tribune says, look, Bel Mariano and her cute smile with her Jollibee Chicken Joy. Yes, ay ipinost po nila yan sa kanilang website, mga kaibigan. Ayan. During the event, ayan, kumakain din po siya ng pinag-serve po siya ng Jollibee. Her speaking voice talaga, sabi ni Nato, and Tinky, ang cute din ng bag niya. Yan po ang sabi nila when Bel Mariano sharing the story of Jollibee and her siblings, mga kaibigan. Ano? Masaya po sa Bel.
Guys, thank you so much for showing up. So
yan po, Jollibee moment ni Bel Mariano. For sure, hindi makakalimutan yan ng mga taga-subaybay nila. Ayan, majestic, mga followers ni Maha din po ay masaya na makita si Bel Mariano and Maha together in one frame. Of course, sino hindi masaya, katabi lang naman nila ang isang Joshua Garcia. Isabay mo pa ang isang Robbie Domingo. I love how Miss Maha stares at Bel with pure admiration and gentleness. Her genuine smile while she's talking, I love their smile or their small interaction. Ayan, nakahawak si Maha sa bewang ni Bel and si Bel ay nakahawak naman sa braso ni Maha. Ayan, cute naman. Of course. Ayan, they are all in red, mga kaibigan. And so yes, nothing but kind words for Don Bel. I really enjoyed watching their interview and giggles during po sa how to spot a red flag launching day, mga kaibigan. And yes, may pininpoint mo dito si Daily Tribune. Ang sabi niya, multi-talented artist Bel Mariano gives a heartfelt message. I am the happiest ever. She emphasized to everyone at Jollibee's Go West tour lighting for the holiday season at its Espana branch in Sampaloc, Manila on Thursday. Yan po, nasa Sampaloc, Manila pala si Bel Mariano with Maha Salvador and Joshua Garcia. Ayan. Samantala, sa mga nakasubaybay sa anong darat na ni Bel from Wish Bus ng Manila, pumunta ito ng Wish Bus Cebu at pumunta pa rin ito ng mga malls habang piniplay itong Moana 2 at umiikot po. Baka bukas ay maikutan kay ni Bel at makita niyo at makadaupang palad kasi masaya po ang iba na nag-antay sila at ayun na shake hands nila si Bel Mariano. Sabi niya na Bel is as the first Filipina to have a localized song for a Disney movie is a testament to immense pride. Her talent shines brightly, but her ethereal beauty is equally captivating, leaving everyone in awe of her unparalleled grace and charm. Yan ang sabi po niya, mga kaibigan, with this opportunity and a blessing for Bel Mariano having this Disney song Moana, mga kaibigan. Even when she was in Cebu, sabi ni Affordable, thank you po, nice meeting you po. You can really feel the genuineness in her actions, no? Very humble and respectful. At nang bumaba po ito ng big bus dyan sa Cebu, ayun, at nakipagkamay po siya sa mga dumalo at nanood ng Wish Bus performance niya sa Cebu po, mga kaibigan. So yes, love na lang po ng Don Bel yan, tita ng Don Bels at mga followers ni Don Bel, itong si Bel Mariano. Yes, mga kaibigan. And anywhere she goes, ayun, sinusundan po siya ng kanyang mga crowd po. So yes, hello there. That is our latest update. Share the joy with Jollibee daw, sabi ng ayan, ng mga grupong ito na si Joshua Roby and Bel Mariano habang nasa big event sila, mga kaibigan. And that's our latest update. This is Alexander Lexter Jules. Yan po ang ating pang good night update sa inyo. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Bye!